bang itip ka thma hapdeng ka Rusia bat Ukraine kadang beteng kisipai ka Rusia haduk menta kidang beteng ban pen ibor hapdeng kani ka thma ka sarkar India kadang beteng ban wanra no yakinung India na Ukraine yakani ka thong ban wanra yakinung India salary kal ai kerteng mission operation ganga kasamla nung India kabadai na meklia kabalayo ya kalap ban wan pai na Ukraine kalong bakalai i ya ka jingja kani ka thma ha Ukraine hari ka sarkar India kalayara ban wan pai salary kalai thu ba kidon kumba arpusan hajar kinung India kibapuli ha Ukraine bat ka sarkar India ka kwa ban yerap yaki ban wan pai salakari kidang don bun kinung India kibadang sakut ha Ukraine bat ki kmiki pa ka isaka kisukmen baklala ban wan pai bat ai khubleiru ya ka sarkar India.
Actually, in the border, a lot of checking was taking place because we have only passport and our posvitka, which is the temporary residence certificate of Ukraine. So checking of those documents are necessary because we don't have visas. So a lot of times our passports were taken by them, our posvitkas were taken by them. We had to get out of the buses for checking purposes and all, and then yes.
So
बात यह है कि जो चिन्नवसी है वो बहुत सेफ जोन है, वहाँ पे कुछ वार अब तक तो नहीं हुई है, बट जो वो सुनने में आ रहा है कीव वगैरह में, घाटी वगैरह में, वहाँ पे जो नॉर्मल पब्लिक है उन्होंने हथियार उठा लिए, वेपन्स उठा लिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो आर्मी फोर्सेस है ना वो बहुत कम है कंपेयर टू रशिया. रशिया इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंट्री. तो यहाँ पे लोकल पीपल ने उठा लिया क्योंकि उनकी जो अपनी कंट्री है जहाँ पे वो लोग बॉर्न है, उनके बर्थ प्लेस को बचाना ज़रूरी है. तो रियली थैंकफुल, बहुत लाइक शुक्रगुजार हूँ फॉर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, फिर एम्बेसी ऑफ इंडिया. हमें ठीक टाइम पे उन्होंने निकाला एकदम स्मूथली विद फुल कंफर्ट. हमें कोई लाइक प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं हुई. बॉर्डर पे थोड़ी बहुत तो होगी ऑब्वियसली कंपेयर टू अदर पीपल. बाकी लोगों को बहुत परेशानी हो रही है क्योंकि पूरे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के जो बच्चे हैं वो मिक्स हो गए हैं, लेकिन हमारे टाइम पे सिर्फ हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की 240 ही बच्चे थे, तो हमारी प्रोसेस में बहुत लाइक अच्छे से हो गया. So like during the evacuation process, they shortlisted the names. It was a very organized manner, like first list, second list, third list. My name was shortlisted in the second one, and I got evacuated in the second slot. So we were carried from the university up till the border. There we were like we had to get out of the bus 2 to 3 kilometers ahead of the border. We had to walk all the way to the border. There in the border area we have one petrol pump where we had to wait for around like 5 to 6 hours in this cold weather. And then those buses were sent from Romania, which were like assisted by embassy people. They came all the way from India to help us here, and we got into the bus. Then the crossing the border was not easy because it is in another country. We don't have visa, so many documentation processes were taking place. It took a lot of time to cross the border, and after crossing the border, we were carried directly to the airport. It took a lot of time to reach the airport. Yes. We cannot make an exact count, but I can say in my batch there are around 600 Indian students, and I think in the total university we can say around 2000. My batch, I can say nobody is from Meghalaya. Maybe in other batches, maybe senior, I guess so 1 or 2 is there.
okay.
Really very much thankful for them. They have helped us all the way throughout. Like for them, our lives matters a lot. They have proven this, and so really proud because when we look into the other people of other countries, they are not taking care of those students studying there. So like really lucky to be an Indian because they have taken necessary actions at the like this time.
दिल से तो बहुत इनके लिए बहुत वो हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरे लिए इतना किया, सबके लिए भी कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, उनके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है.